and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we will unbox and set up the pH22 compact pH meter. The pH22 can monitor a single drop 0.1 ml of solution, meaning you can undertake sampling on applications where only a small volume is available. The unique flat sensor is ideal for semi-solids, powders and small volumes, making it ideal for a range of applications. From testing foods including sushi rice to fresh water, water treatment, QA labs, soil testing and more. First, inside the box we have a quick reference guide that includes how to turn on, calibrate, measure and store the pH22. There is an instruction manual booklet for before use and during operation. Calibration buffers pH 4 and pH 7. A plastic pipette and two 3-volt batteries, and the pH22 meter with its unique flat sensor. The first step to get you set up is to insert the included batteries. To do so, flip over the device and gently lift the clip on the rear. Then pull the body away from the electrode. Flip back over and insert the batteries, observing the polarity. Clip the device back together and turn on to ensure the batteries are working correctly. The pH22 has a number of setup options. To enter the setup mode, press and hold the measure and the on-off button when the device is switched off. If done correctly, all the LCD segments will appear on the screen. Press the cal button to flick between setup options, or press measure to enter setup for that option. First option is buffer selection. Select between USA or NIST buffer set selections. Select the measurement mode between AS or AH. AS is the default mode and a smiley face will appear when the measurement is stable. AH is auto hold. The value will lock on the screen when the read value meets stability criteria. Last of all is the backlight settings. Select between backlight on or off. Press cal one more time to exit setup and enter measurement mode. If it's your first time using the pH meter or it hasn't been used in several days, perform electrode conditioning. To do so, simply place a few drops of pH 7 solution on the flat sensor and leave for a few hours. The device does not need to remain on while conditioning. Once complete, rinse in distilled water and the device will be ready to calibrate. To watch us calibrate the pH22, see the video link in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.